fourth term of an arithmetic sequence is 15 and the 20th term is minus 33. Find A, the common difference, B, the first term, C, the formula for the nth term of the sequence, and D, the sum of the first 40 terms. Okay, so we've got extracting the information from the question. We've got U4, the fourth term is 15. The 20th term is minus 33. We've got D, we don't know, and we've got A, we don't know. We're going to have to find them in parts A and B, but the parts are related. We know that any term of an arithmetic sequence is UN is equal to A plus N minus 1 times D. This formula needs to be learnt. We know that A means the first term, D means the common difference, N means the term number, and UN is the nth term. Right, so for the 20th term, I'm going to do first. So we know that A plus N, which is 20 in that case, minus 1 times D is equal to minus 33. You just need to make sure you substitute in the right number. This is N, this is U20. So we're using this formula. We should simplify that a little bit because 20 minus 1 is 19. So we've got A plus 19D is minus 33. Then for the fourth term, we've got A plus 4 minus 1 times D is equal to 15. And then we can say from that A plus 3D is equal to 15. Now, it's okay to write this down here first without this bit here, provided that you're confident to do that. Now, we should label that equation 1, equation 2. I put the larger term first because when I do the subtraction in a minute of the simultaneous equation, I've got a bigger number here than here. So, if we now subtract, we do A minus A, we get nothing. 19 minus 3, we get 16D. Minus 33 minus 15, be careful with your negative numbers, makes minus 48. We get, divide both sides by 16, we're going to get D is equal to minus 3. So my common difference is minus 3. That's part A. So part B, we would substitute into this D minus 3 into equation 2 or 1, it doesn't matter. So we've got A plus 3 times my D, which is minus 3. Be careful with the minus sign, is equal to 15. So that gives me A plus minus 9 is equal to 15. So A will be equal to 24. So the first term is 24. Right, carrying on. So using UN is A plus N minus 1 times D, and A is 24 and D is minus 3. We've got that UN will be A, which is 24, plus N minus 1 times minus 3, which is going to be 24 minus 3N. Minus times minus 1 makes plus 3. So just be careful there with the minus sign. 24 plus 3 will make 27, and we've got, so the nth term is 27 minus 3N. So basically, to find the nth term, we take the nth term formula and then we just simplify it, leaving N in our answer. Right, now to find the sum of the first 40 terms. So the sum formula is Sn n over 2, 2 times A plus N minus 1 times D. This is written down on the formula booklet for IGCSE. So we've got S40 is equal to 40 divided by 2 plus 2 times 24 plus 40 minus 1 times minus 3. 40 over 2 is 20, so what 20, 2 times 24 is 48, plus 39 times minus 3. That gives me 20, 40 plus 39 times minus 3 gives me minus 69, and we get a final answer of minus 1,380. So this sequence is decreasing. It starts at 24 and it goes down in threes, and eventually you'll be adding in negative numbers. So this is why the sum has come out to be negative. Okay, this has been a video to show how to do questions in IGCSE on arithmetic sequences. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.